And I have two people signed up for items 6 and or 7. And they are Alex Zimmerman and Kim Johnson. Mr. Zimmerman.
Kim Johnson first.
No, I called you first, man.
Oh, you called me first. Thank you very much. My name is Alex Zimmerman, and I represent Stand Up America. Situation what is we have right now in King Country Council very unique. Every city, every big have right to speak about everything. King Country Council chamber is only one place what is we cannot speak about problem what is exist in us life, no in council life. Is this a very big difference? Because this 9 crook can do in everything to us by limitation talking about everything. Number one, this accountability. We cannot sue council for last 20 years, law totally close every point for sue a council. When you cannot sue council, when you cannot sue people who as employee, how we can exist for this America fallen and fallen and fallen. And what is happened? It's a law right now, country law. We cannot sue people who work for us. I am a boss. I am employer of this employee, 9 employee, and I cannot talk about this 9 employee. When my employee not working very good, I come to him and talk, John, you working not so good, you need a change. We cannot do in this. It's crook monopoly have. Can do in everything what is want with us. We cannot touch these people, not touchable mafia. I don't think so last time not touchable mafia in Chicago, in Tory for my understanding. It's more dangerous because it's only one gangster, this a 9 gangster. What is we cannot touch? We cannot talk about problem. We cannot talk about $8 billion. Us money, business money, people money. I cannot talk about my $8 billion, what is our investment in my government corporation for best life. I cannot talk about this. How is it possible? Is America or what? Or German Nazi, Soviet Union communist? How is this possible? When you can find a broker, when you invest $8 billion, you cannot come to this broker and talking what is you doing with my money. This crook need be stopping. Stand up, America.